Hello and welcome to another update video about Chainlink. Chainlink is moving up. We talked about that yesterday, that a wave 2 is expected. We have a bit of a problem here with this chart. So first of all, maybe the higher time frame. It is one of the clearest bearish patterns we have here at the moment. It is really a bearish chart, the Chainlink chart. That might change should we really go above the green area, but this would have to be a move above $8.82. In the short term, we would need to get above $8.32. But at the moment, my view is that from the high at 9.55, we moved down in a wave 1, we moved up in a wave 2, and we are moving down currently in a wave 3. I just need to shift things. I'm zooming in a bit, and then we're going to shift things to the right hand side here a little bit. But what started as one of the clearest downside patterns has really morphed into some kind of an ending diagonal in a wave 5 here. That's how that looks to me. Yeah, there are two possibilities though, and they don't really make a great difference, to be honest. So in one scenario, because this to the downside, really, I struggle to count that as 5 waves. For me, that's rather 3 waves. So there's a potential that we say, okay, we moved up here in a 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, moved up in a 4, came down in a truncated 5. Truncated means that that wave 5 then, where the wave 1 finished, could not make a lower low. It is, even though one of the most bearish charts at the moment, Chainlink failed to make a lower low. So that there's therefore these two possibilities. Either this is a ending diagonal and we count this as an A, B, C. Yeah, down here in a wave 3, A, B, C in an ending diagonal, or we count it as a 5-wave move. Both possible. In a 5-wave move, it would need to be a truncated low. In the end, doesn't really make a great difference. I'll leave it like this at the moment. The view here is that we are retracing currently in a wave 2, and here we have now reached the 61.8% FIB level, perfect retracement level for a wave 2. This is here at $7.80. It could still move here to the $8 level, but I would say above that level, I'd rather consider something different, because again, the move above the 78.6% FIB level is always unreliable. So at any moment in time, I would expect here a continuation to the downside. We already see here quite a few red candles. Let's see if this is going to happen, either from here or from the 78.6% FIB level. And then we would be heading further down. My expectation is still, despite this move to the upside, which is a little bit different to what Bitcoin is doing today, despite that, I would expect a further continuation to the downside. And we can also calculate targets for that. We take the length of the wave 1. A target here for the wave 3 would be more in the region here of 567. Then a wave 4 to the upside, a wave 5 down. And then we'd be looking here at something like the $4.60 level for the white wave 3. Then there will be a wave 4 up in white and the wave 5 down. An overall bearish target. I did look at this earlier today, so I'd rather say between 290 and 350. This would be a target where I would say the overall correction for Chainlink could end in the current scenario. As I said, if we move above $8.32, things might change a little bit, and if we move above $8.82, we need to seriously consider the bullish scenario further. Yeah, and that is my view. If this, however, maybe one more point, so if we come down here in this scenario as it is, this target remains. If we, however, do an ending diagonal pattern here, then we'd be looking more into an area which is a little bit higher, maybe sort of the $4 mark, $4.20 or so. But overall, let's see if we get this wave 3 done. And target is sort of in the 470 range, maybe a little bit higher even. Okay, and that's my update about Chainlink. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.